Hi everyone, my name is Priscilla Philbyuman. Today I am going to demonstrate a data science project that I have done as part of an internship program. The name of this project is Unemployment Analysis with Python. This is the problem statement, and this is about the data set. These are the features: states, date, measuring frequency, estimated unemployment rate, estimated employed individuals, estimated labor participation rate. This data set will help us to understand the unemployment dynamics across the states of India during the lockdown and during the COVID-19 crisis. And it will provide some valuable insights about this issue. So I'll start this project by importing the necessary Python libraries. Then I will start the project by loading the dataset into Pandas data frame. And here the 5 rows of the dataset are displayed. This is some information about the dataset, such as how many columns are there and how many rows are there. There are 267 rows and 7 columns. 9 columns. And here you can see the data type also, and then the memory usage. And then I will check for null values. As you can see, there are not any null values, and it is a clean data set. Here some statistics of the data set are displayed. Next is the correlation matrix. As you know, a correlation matrix is a table showing correlation coefficients between variables, and I have displayed it by plotting a heat map. So this is a heat map. And next it is exploratory data analysis. So before going into the data visualizations, I have renamed some of the columns of the data set because for better understanding of the data. So first I will plot a histogram where the x-axis is estimated employed and the y-axis is count. So, and this is the region, and as you can see, different colors are assigned for each region, and it is shown in this diagram. And next is also another histogram where the x-axis is estimated unemployment rate and the y-axis is count, and the hue is region. So as you can see, there are different colors for each region. As you can see, the unemployment is measured by the unemployment rate, which is the number of people who are unemployed as a percentage of the total labor force. So I will create a dashboard to analyze the unemployment rate of each states of India per region. So I will display that by plotting a sunburst chart. So this is the sunburst chart. As you can see, there are different colors assigned for different regions, and if you click on any one of these states, you can see the estimated unemployment rate and everything. And then next, what I'm going to do is showing the impact of lockdown on states estimated employed. So before that, as you can see from this diagram, you can understand that the northern region of India seems to have more unemployed people. So next, as the final part of the project, I will show the impact of lockdown on some of the Indian states estimated employed. So here I will import the calendar and change some column names again and convert them sorry, I will convert some of the columns of the data set into another format. So here the date column is converted to date time format, and then the frequency and region columns are converted to categorical data type. And then I have extracted the month from date and then creating another month column. Then this month column I'm changing it to another format, to integer format, and then I will drop the original month column. As you can see, these are the 5 rows from the dataset where I have changed the formats of the records. Okay, so this one here I have filtered the data for the time period before the lockdown and the time period on the lockdown period. That is the lockdown during April to July. So this is, and after lockdown also. So we are calculating the mean unemployment rate before lockdown by the state, and then also the mean unemployment after lockdown. Then here we have changed some of the columns. We have created another data frame where it shows the state's unemployment rate before lockdown and unemployment rate after lockdown. And then I will visualize this by plotting a bar graph or a bar plot. So you can see the percentage change in unemployment rate before the lockdown and after the lockdown. You can see it, and it is displayed here. As you can see, there are different colors which are assigned to different states here. From this diagram, we can understand that the most affected states or territories in India during the lockdown are, in case of the unemployment, are Tripura, Haryana, Bihar, Puducherry, Jharkhand, Jammu and Kashmir, and Delhi. So this is the end of my project. Thank you.